Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USA Clean for 12 years, and this is the Bulldog WD20 Auto Scrubber. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it'll help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Say your battery meter is not working and we have to replace it. It's a very easy task. This is how you do it. The first step is we're going to have to remove this back panel. Now, in order to remove the back panel, we have to remove the knob from the squeegee lowering handle. Just like that. Next step, we're going to remove the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws holding the back panel to the machine. Next is the tricky step. What you want to do is take the handle, push it down slightly, and pull the back panel off. Now that we have the backside exposed, we are going to unhook the battery meter from the harness. And as you can tell, this battery meter was clearly damaged and needed replaced because it shouldn't do that. Just like that. And now what we're going to have to do is remove the nut and screw. There's 2 of them, 1 on each side, to remove the old battery meter. Take a pair of needle nose pliers. Go ahead and grip that nut there, and a small Phillips head screwdriver, and go ahead and remove these screws and nuts. Now, as I said, there's 2. There's 1 on each side. Now, just push the old one through the front, pop it out. Take your new hour meter, and as you can tell, the new hour meter has a back plate on it, so that circuit board inside there can't come out. This one did not. Now, the new battery meter will also come with a new harness and a gasket, which I have already installed on the back side of the battery meter itself. If your harness is good on the machine, just go ahead and reuse that one. Take the new one and reverse your steps to install. Make sure that it reads negative to positive when you put it back in. Push that sucker back in like that. And now we just take the 2 screws and nuts and put them back in and tighten them down. Now take your needle nose pliers, hold that tiny nut there, and go ahead and take your Phillips screwdriver and tighten that back down. Doesn't have to be super tight. Make sure you do both sides. Now, let's go ahead and take that harness and plug it back in. Just like that. We need to reattach the back panel to the machine. Now what you want to do is make sure that all your wires are not in the way of where your screw holes are going to go. Line up the handle, push it down a little bit. There we go. And now you can free float it just like that. Get the top 2 screws started. This way you're not fighting it to line it up at the bottom if need be. Now take a larger Phillips, and we're going to tighten all these screws back down. Just like that. Last but not least, go ahead and take your squeegee knob and tighten it back down onto the lever. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe, and thanks for watching.